In this lesson, we're going to learn how to check spelling and format message content. So let's click on New Email. And as mentioned, you can start typing the email address if it's familiar to you, or click on the To button. And type the content of your message. I have on purpose made a spelling error over there. Let's start with the formatting. For example, if I wanted to underline this, I could select it, and on my message tab there is bold and underline, and there is italic. Again, as mentioned previously, try not to put too many different colors and styles of text. It just makes it very difficult to read. I could change colors with the drop down arrow next to the A, which is our text color. I could make the text a little bit bigger, and if I wanted to, I could also change the style of the text. Once you've created your message, it's always wise to do a spell check before sending it out. In order to do a spell check, click on the Review tab, and you'll see there is spelling and grammar. And you can see it's picked up the incorrect spelling over there. Here are the suggestions given. I can see that that is the correct one, and I can click on Change. It tells you once the spell check is complete. Something I would consider doing is to change the setting so that it always spell checks automatically before sending. In order to do that, we need to click on File, and once we've gone there, we select Options. Remember, this is the global settings for Outlook. Once in the Mail tab, you will see there, always check spelling before sending. It would be a wise idea to tick that. That means every single new email will spell check before sending. And now I would just click on Send in order to send this mail. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to delete text from an email message, as well as deleting an entire email message. First of all, let's start by creating a new email. I'm going to type in the body of this email message. Let's delete the second word "is" over here. As you can see, you have what we refer to as an I-beam, and wherever I click, that's where my cursor is flashing. If I push my backspace key, it will delete the text behind my cursor. So in this case, I need to backspace twice to get rid of the word. If you push your delete button, it removes the text in front of the cursor. So for example, if I wanted to delete the A, I would push delete, and it will delete what is in front of the cursor. Let's close this email. That is how you delete on an email. Now let's delete an entire email message. You merely need to click on it. You could click on the red X, and that will delete it. I could also right click and select delete at the bottom over here. I could also push my delete button on my keyboard. Let's delete this one over here. Delete. Now once you've deleted them, they go into our deleted items box, and you would need to delete it from here as well to delete the entire email message off the system. So this is like a storage place, like a recycle bin for your deleted items from your inbox. If you wanted to not let it put it into the deleted items, you could, instead of pushing just delete, you could shift and delete, and that will remove it without letting that message go into the deleted items box. Just always make sure, if you're going to shift and delete, that you really don't need that email, because once you've done that, you can't recover it.